In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance PDF quality using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This process works best for documents that were scanned or photographed, but it can also clean up lightly degraded files. With your PDF open, head to the Tools tab and choose Scan and OCR. This opens the workspace designed for improving scanned documents. Select Enhance Scanned File. A dialog appears letting you decide which pages to process. If your entire PDF is scanned, choose All Pages. If only certain pages look rough, target just those to save time and keep changes focused. Next, Enable. Recognize text to turn on OCR, or optical character recognition. This step makes the text in your scanned pages selectable, searchable, and copyable, which is invaluable for editing and accessibility. Acrobat uses your configured language settings behind the scenes, so you don't need to change anything unless you already know the document language differs. Click Settings to fine-tune how Acrobat enhances the file. Under Compression or Image Optimization, choose Adaptive Compression. This option intelligently balances visual quality with file size, helping keep text crisp while avoiding oversized PDFs. If your pages are heavy on images, adaptive compression helps maintain detail without introducing unnecessary artifacts. Move to the Filters section to clean up the scan. Turn on Desk U to automatically straighten pages that were scanned at a slight angle. This improves readability and makes OCR more accurate. Enable to screen if your pages came from printed materials or magazines. It removes dot patterns and moire, producing smoother images and clearer text. Use background removal to even out gray or blotchy paper textures and reduce scanner noise, which helps the text stand out without a muddy backdrop. Finally, apply text sharpening to bring blurry characters back into focus. Go moderate here. A little sharpening enhances clarity, while too much can create halos around letters. Once your preferences look good, click OK, then choose Enhance to apply the changes. Acrobat will process the selected pages, and this may take a moment depending on document size and image complexity. When it's done, review a few pages to confirm the text is clean, straight, and easy to read. To finish, save your enhanced PDF. Use Save As to keep your original file intact, adding a clear suffix like enhanced so you can tell them apart later. That's it. Your PDF should now be sharper, smaller, and searchable, ready to share, archive, or annotate with confidence.